Yo guys, I'm your JJ. Now, why didn't you call? Why didn't you both call?
Hey, it's fine da. I'll catch her. I'll be like, Akka, one nimisha.
Whoever calls, no one forgets their own brother. Video long time back, I think. Macha, he bent like this now. Go, servant. Like guys like me will grow.
You know that.
I got shot here. Then so one nice. Yo guys, I'm your JJ. Now I was like getting bored. I don't know what to do. Sitting in the house from morning. I didn't meet those two fellows also. So I called Arit, Gangopada and Sumit, both of them to come near his Sumit's block. I'm getting bored as fuck. Afternoon looks like it's gonna die now. They said they will be coming now. Let's see. Why didn't you call? Why didn't you both call? Morning you
called me. I was
morning
already outside, so I came.
Morning you called.
Acha take to bed abhi.
Wait. Morning you called. That time I was like having this, what you'll say, breakfast. I was having breakfast. That time you both are out, like here. So I was like, Macha, I'm having, and I won't be able to come. This loud, he calls whenever I have the food only. गान में गुदगुदी हो रहे हो दोनों को.
गान में गुदगुदी हो रहा है यार.
हाँ तो कॉल. I'm fully bored there.
Even I was bored, macha. I was watching the Squid Game. I was simply sitting at home. Today is Sylvie's birthday.
Achha, this Bangalore Banki.
Today is Sylvie's birthday.
Full of. It's like it's gonna rain now again.
Today is Sylvie's birthday, so I.
Sylvie's birthday. Happy birthday.
So I
Sylvie's birthday.
They were full tank.
Oh. Okay, what were you guys saying about new vlog idea?
Evening I will cut cake. So that's why I just went to fill petrol now. The guy called. No, okay, I'm outside only, I'll come. So I thought I'll smoke and I'll go. Then you came.
Acha, I put a note, no? Any idea for new vlog? Sumit's ka cousin, he's like, Macha, go for haunted place. You know I'm scared of haunted place. I see the ghost, no. I will be there only.
Go, Macha. I'm not scared.
That some Victoria Hospital and all they're saying. Victoria Hospital, you know, no, many cases are there, like haunted ka. And Bangalore Airport Highway, this.
Come, Macha, we'll go.
We'll go.
We'll go, Macha.
We'll go then. Okay, we'll go.
If you get
That-
one ghost girl, life set.
Life not set. I'll be there sitting in the hell.
Hey, it's fine da. I'll catch her. I'll be like, Akka, one nimisha. So bend over.
Ayyo. And one more girl was like, go for ride. Sumit doesn't have bike only. This other doesn't have bike.
Right now, just an accident happened.
He said.
Chumba with that.
Don't talk to me. You know, two for it. Don't talk.
No, name they only called me. Like Sumit to.
Whoever calls, no one forgets their own brother.
लौड़े तुझे कभी बुला हो क्या? हाँ?
No one forgets their own brother.
बुला हो क्या?
हाँ, आज.
मादर.
Today you forgot, no?
That guy took the bike and he went off somewhere.
अबे वो छोड़. तो केटे वाले को देखा क्या उड़ा उसका बाइक हवा में. उसका बाइक हवा में उड़ के गिरा भाई. And ये भोसड़ी वाला कहाँ?
इसलिए बोलते हैं guys don't buy plastic bikes.
Buy metal.
Buy metal.
Medal.
Come here.
This
Like buy now and bring it on.
fall. If you fall with this bike, no. Bone fracture, spinal cord break, everything. In plastic, if you fall, no, something safety. No. Smoking kills.
No, shift left.
Finish drinking. Just. Hey, chal rahe. Hut. Side. Sorry. Go. Go, kahan go? Acha, boom. Yeah, enter. Just raise it. See, Tata Suma. You have to teach them, Macha. Go on.
Five.
Macha, there is something to eat in your house.
Let me think.
Don't think. Hey, palav ko chhod raha hai, bench. Say something to eat like snacks.
Nope.
My camera is
Meatballs.
meatballs.
Come on, chal, give me my cock.
I also have no. I have better cock than you.
Baba का अपना.
वही तो.
Baba Ramdev बंदा पड़ा.
I said dog welcome.
Hey bro, what is that guy's age? Hey, you know, I saw his Patanjali video long time back. I think. Macha, he bent like this now. He's fully flexible. He's teaching some foreign student also. No, Shishya I think for him.
About his eye, macha.
Huh?
His eye is good. Every time he will be there.
Macha, get naked, macha.
Huh?
Get naked. And walk here. High views.
ये लवड़े व्यूज आ जाता है टाइम.
YouTube ban कर देगा इसको.
हाँ
Oh, then walk in underwear, that's all.
घंटा. What promotion I'm doing? Promotion.
Nice. ये अपार्टमेंट में बांधना चाहिए.
YouTube का पता नहीं अपार्टमेंट.
अच्छा something snacks.
अगर रेस में कर जाना है
मैं भी आऊँ. तू भी आ.
बस थोड़ा रिस्क है. गैस लीक हो गया तो बस.
चल.
लाइटर सब इधर रखो.
कल शाम को मिलता.
Yep. Hey, लवड़े. Now only you said we'll go to her house.
चल bye.
अच्छा, you also come back to his house only. Come
I
here.
have to go eat after this. After help her. I'll go.
Okay. Football, you come. Okay. Huh? Why macha?
Directly to also there. Again you have to walk till there. Why will you simply walk again?
Hey, slave. Cut mango. Cut mango, servant.
I'm not cutting.
Cut mango.
No, what?
You are cutting the mango.
No.
No, you are cutting.
No.
Punishment.
No.
Cut mango, banky.
No banky.
Hey, pichas ling ling. Cut mango.
Pussy ass ling.
You ling ling.
Pussy ass ling.
You ling ling. Cut mango.
Pussy ling.
Ling ling.
I won't.
You are cutting the mango. Get me fucked bro, like this only. Yeah, easily get me fucked. Ban my channel, bet.
Macha, no hard work is there.
Hard work. You know how much difficult it's to like vlog in front of people, you know, no?
Yeah.
Holding camera, everyone will be seeing us
Why
only.
did you open curtains?
Like some booth. Like some booth, they'll be seeing us only. Oh, what?
Why did you open?
But they don't know the reality that we have only 48 subscribers.
Now you tell me why did you open the curtains?
I'm not visible. Camera is not able to catch me.
खुद का खुद ही गाना मार रहा ना तू.
Hey, Lauda, I'm saying the reality. Acha, cut mango. One mango, only this much it is.
Macha, you go cut. Chaco is there.
Laude. I will only cut. If you play some movie, I'll kill you now.
What?
Some ling ling mango he has kept.
What is ling ling mango now?
Oh, bitches, ling ling is there. What? Ling ling mango should be not there. Where is the light, macha? In your house, no, I'll forget every time.
But on the fan, huh?
Huh?
On the fan.
No. I won't.
On, macha.
I won't.
तेरी गाना मत पूछो फुटबॉल. While playing football, मैं तेरी गाना मत पूछो.
क्या गांड मारता गुंड मारता. Where is the knife? Now we are going to play football with Jade and I called Sumit also. That's what they like. I want to go to party करके.
You only ask no. What time are you coming?
No, not me. Sumit asked.
Sumit only.
He only asked.
On the group.
Call the chotte, you will be in washroom. Now bomb blasting. I don't know when will I get frustrated.
Papa, yesterday's game was nice, no? Everyone played up today.
But yesterday I was in barefoot, no?
Today.
Not today. Hey, Macha, come down. Oh, Ling Ling. Every day it's the same routine we have.
Every day
Get up, roam, talk, then again go to play football, then come home.
Then, no. After playing football, then go for sutta. After that, come home, eat, sleep.
Oh, boring. I don't know when will I get frustrated. It's seeing these vlogs. I'm like, I'm not.
Best
Hey,
vlog when you come, about this thing, Onam.
I'm not getting these views. Who's no bancho? I'm making in English. In whole India is like Hindi vloggers as Hindi fans. Malayalam vloggers as Malayalam fans. Tamil vloggers as Tamil fans. Telugu vloggers Telugu fans. Bancho, I'm making in English. No,
You should speak all languages.
all India. I'm making in English vlog. I'm making it in English. Bancho, for these people, it's like way too difficult for them to see the vlog also. Bancho. I'm making it like I make comfortable for all people.
Hindi, people will be like Hindi artha kala, Kannada. If you make Kannada, they'll be like Hindi baat kar. Then after they'll be in English.
That's why Bancho, I'm talking in English so that you people will understand. Now maximum of them are educated, right? Now why the fuck are you not able to subscribe, Bancho? Bitch ass Ling.
Which has Ning.
If you're watching this video, fucking subscribe. It takes only seconds to subscribe. Let people like me.
पहले like बटन दबाओ, फिर subscribe का bell icon लगाओ, फिर notified पे डग लगाओ, then subscribe करो.
Nah, what happens to you people, bro? Why can't you? You do understand English. Everyone understand English now. Like, correct, right?
Yeah.
Everyone understand English. Now, from north to south, everyone. I'm making it in single language. Not like I'm only making in Malayalam. I'm true Malayalam guy. Then that's I make it in English.
In Malayalam. It's Sumit will come down. No, speak in Malayalam. Eda Mayre. Forget direct.
So if you people like support us, the people like guys like me will grow.
You know that event was in Rath Yatra. They took a chain for. That day we also did vlog. But Chumma have to edit and all. I'm living.
You get fucked up, no?
Yeah,
it will be like 1 hour thing and all. You have to cut everywhere.
I took like not that much. I took only 10 minutes. Few vlogs from there till here walking supermarket Bakchodi. Then Chumma walking. Then we'll also make vlogs. Then later I'm like, much old editor. I'm lazy to edit and all.
Taking vlog is easy. Editing is that difficult part.
Yeah.
You'll get fucked up editing it.
Now
So
you
we don't-
understand how triggered insan and all went forward in life.
Now I'm getting triggered. I'm not getting views. That I'm making thumbnails. Then I'm posting video. I'm doing Bakchodi, editing, everything. Single guy. I'm doing only single guy. I'm doing.
Where is this chatte? He said he'll come. Didn't come till now. Past my door.
This chotte will be in the bathroom. Now see this. Now our part only will be like 4 minutes here. Thing. The morning which I took, there'll be some 1 minute there, and again 3 minutes somewhere like when we were outside. Then 2.5, 3 minutes will be in the bike talking with Arithro. Now this is gonna be 5 minutes. My vlog will be at least 20 minutes. Every time. Vlog should be bigger. It should be entertaining also. Let's see the chutia comes or not. Then we'll take.
हम लोग फिर से कवर
What you wore inside?
white color normal shirt.
I have wore one jersey t-shirt same like that.
Oh, same. This is.
He is also wearing something in it.
I'm wearing Madrid.
3 of them also wearing shirts and roaming Gubega. Macha, we have to do something interesting. Like today it's literally bored. No? It's boring for me from morning. I came out at 2:30 or
अब
something.
एक काम करते हैं उधर जाते हैं शौर्य और आहान है वो लोग को फुकड़ से बुली करेगा कंटेंट के लिए शौर्य और आहान को मतलब वो है कि ऐसे बोलेंगे ना कि मैं अभी खाना खाया क्यों खाया क्या खाया चलो बकवास सवाल पूछना वो इरिटेट हो जाएंगे वे बहुत.
Yeah, will do.
Will do पक्का. I'll do.
Let them go.
जल्दी लाइक हम जल्दी आ गए. क्यों आया? खेलने आए. क्यों आया?
Will do that.
They called me. They're like, where are you? I'm like, I'm coming. He's like, जल्दी आ. We'll go to bakery and come. We'll have juice. I'm like, पैसा. Sorry, I said six.
Paisa, bro. Ma, if you go for job also, it's... Now only I'm feeling bad. Should I go for job or not? Job and all is not easy like people like me. I can't sit in one place. I should be jumping here and there, talking some nonsense. Otherwise, my brain won't work.
Even if this clicks, no.
Footballer. Hey, Noob Kudi. See? Come, we'll go.
Where?
Out.
For what?
We'll go have some juice and come. I said no. Macha. Fucked up. Come da. Load it.
First.
You see my shoot. Hold the camera.
No. Macha pass जाइए. I know you shoot good. Fuck you. हाँ तू भी आगे.
Hey, I'm holding one camera like this without a hand movement. I'm shooting.
Pass.
You saw it, triple D. Oh. Hit fast, we'll go. Namaskaram. എന്തുണ്ട് സുഖാണോ?
വ്ലോഗ് എടുക്കാൻ
ആ എടാ ഇന്ന് ബോറടിച്ചിരിക്കുവോ അതുകൊണ്ട് വ്ലോഗ് എടുക്കും. റെഗുലർ ഡേ
ആരും വന്നില്ല.
ഇല്ല അവന്മാരൊക്കെ ജ്യൂസ് കുടിക്കാൻ വേടാ. ആ
only hit me macha. Correct here hit me.
Shoo. After
here.
football you got shot.
Fucking shot here with this. Sorry.
This chotte, nothing happened to this chotte. For me, hold. For me, normally you hold. See, I got shot here. Then so one nice block he gave, I fell. I kept my hand like this. And so pot. What to do now? Only Sumit is baki to get shot.
बाहर जाकर मारेंगे. इसको बाहर जाकर तोड़ेंगे.
For me, problem no eating bench. I eat like this, but I mix like this.
Hello.
Can't.
कहाँ है?
Holy
Sorry
fuck.
मैं कॉल नहीं कर पाया. फुटबॉल में चला गया था.
What are you doing, macha?
Texting.
24 hours texting you.
अच्छा from morning we did not text.
Did it just fell? Huh? Shoot. Hey. अच्छा nothing happened, no?
मतलब मैं टर्न कर रहा हूँ. हमने टर्न क्यों कर रहा हूँ? गिर गया बेंच. हम लोग वही में बोला ये बंदा रास्ते में इतना रेप क्यों करेगा बोल का.
We were talking. Suddenly, करके
I saw weird. I'm like बाइक का हेडलाइट
इधर गिरा नीचे हेडलाइट. It is down one.
चल ऐसे तो मट्टी में गिरा.
Macha, don't turn fully. Just keep it halfway.
अबे यार देख मैं इधर से बेंड करके टर्न किया. अब मैं सीधा किया तब तक ये स्पीकर इधर आ गया था. अब मैं सीधा कर रहा हूँ स्पीकर
Oh, that stuck speaker.
इसको सीधे से निकल लेकर आ रहा है. नहीं वो खुद समझ आ जाएगी.
I got shot. Nothing is happening good today. Acha, only you are left. Hello. Bye bye. Now we are gonna show you leg dab.
अबे तुम लोग करो.
Normal hands, how it was? Normal hands, you show. Normal hands, it was like this for us. This was normal leg. Now like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You also have to tell like that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bacha, I got the clip.